Hello, my name is Naimul Haq and welcome to my Java programming tutorial. This is my very first Java tutorial, so stick with me. So first of all, we have to create a new project. This is my Eclipse, and in Eclipse you can create a project by going to File, then go to New, then hit Java Project. You have to give a name to your project. Uh, how about person? Now go to person. Here you can explore your projects. So now go to your person, right click on SRC and create a new class. You have to give a name to your class. Okay. In giving a name to your class, you have to be careful that the first letter of your name should be always a capital letter. So this is my class. So this is my class. So a class is nothing but a design for an object. An object is an object in real life is something that you can consider a phone, a car, a TV, a person, something that have some kind of feature, some kind of characteristics. And you can use the same analogy in your programming and see what we can do here. Stick to me and you will understand everything about class and object. I'm pretty sure about that. Okay, first of all, you can identify a class by this class identifier. Every class has this identifier, class identifier, in front of the name of that class. A class have two kind of things. First of all, instance variable. First it have instance variable. Instance variables are those variables that determines the feature of this class. So a person have a name. So we created an instance variable named name, which is a string variable. Then a person have age, and age can be represented by an integer. So we took an integer type variable. So now and I told you that the a class have two kinds of thing. One is instance variable and other is methods. We're gonna talk about methods in our later videos. So now how we can create an object out of this class. So if you want to do that, you can do it here, but let me do it in a separate class. So if you if you know if you have any idea about C programming, you know that there is always a main class that your program starts. so so we have to create a main method, where a main function where we can create an object. So this is the main function, or in Java we say that we said that main method. So public static void main. So here we can create an object of a person. So let's do it. First of all, we have to create a reference of this person. So for that we have to give the class name person, then give the variable name, object name person1, then we have to create an instance of that object, of that class person. So this is very simple. We have created uh, a person. We have created a person. Now we have to access its variables, instance variable, and initialize them. So we can access its variable by giving a dot. So here you can see after a dot you can access its instance variables. So name you can give uh, John, then you can and John has 34 John is 34 years old. So here you have just created an object. So if you want to create an object of person, so you have to do this again. If you want to create another person with different person variable, let's say person 2 is 45 years old. So that's it. Now if you want to print, then this is how you can print them in the console by this command system.out.println. Here if you want to print the name of the first person, all you have to do is write it in this parenthesis. Now if you want to compile them, hit this green button. It's compiled and it's already run. So here you see that the person 1 is John. Then person let's compile and run it. So this is all for today. Hopefully we're gonna make another video for methods, and if you have any kind of hard time understanding what I have done here, make sure you leave a comment. Thank you.